Hello traders, welcome in our daily stock discussion. In this video, we will talk about the controversial oil massive drop, no? As you know na yung oil natin, it drops below the negative territory, no? Ibig sabihin negative na yung integers niya. Bakit nagte-trade siya beyond negative territory? Bakit, no? So a lot of you are asking me, possible ba yan mangyari kila PCOR, kila PXP, baka mag-negative din yung price. Sabi ko, teka lang, kalma, kasi iba yun. We are in the stock market, yung tinutukoy natin is futures, no? So, marami kayong matututunan dito. Just stay tuned, no? So that if ever may mga ganitong scenario, hindi kayo magpapanik, no? So, next thing, we will talk about our index, no? As you can see, nag-retrace na up until like 5,500, no? Bakit? At ano yung mga dapat gawin on the following days, no? And we will align our study doon sa international market. And of course, we will talk about some stocks na talagang magandang pag-usapan, katulad nila dito, katulad netong PXP, no? So, I will just limit those picks kasi medyo advance yung topic na pag-uusapan natin about kay oil, no? So that you will know more about on details, kasi I will explain it piece by piece so that you will know what is going on, no, about dun sa oil na controversy na massive drop, no? So before we get started, no, so if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, no, kasi as we hit 1,000 subscribers, gaya ng na-announce ko last previous video, no, I will create another video sending you instruction, no, so that you can apply, no, so that for the first 50 users na makapag-comply dun sa application na yon is magkakaroon ng 1 month free daily or weekly stock updates na ginagawa ko, 'di ba, sa mga students natin para they can earn money, no, in times of this pandemic situation, no, in times of this hardship na sa buhay natin, no. So kahit papaano magkaroon ka man ng 5 to 10,000 per week pang grocery budget, malaking bagay na yun, no. So first 1,000 subscribers at the end of the month, no, then I will create another video. I will explain how you can join, no, instructions, then you can apply, no, simpleng form lang yun so that you can apply and i-approve kita. Then let's see kung hanggang ilan yung makakaano, pero for the first 1,000 subscribers, first 50 users lang yung i-allow natin. Then for the next 2,000 subscribers is bibigyan natin up until first 200 subscribers. So pag-usapan na natin yung oil, no. So may news. So, the soon-to-expire May contract for the US oil benchmark marked history on Monday. Kasi, as far as I remember, never in the entire history pa na nangyari na yung oil traded below zero, no, on the negative territory or negative integers, no. So, finishing deeply in negative territory and implying that investors will need to pay buyers to take delivery of crude oil, reflecting on the growing glut of the crude and the lack of storage space, no. So unang-una pag-usapan natin, no, sa mga ginawa kong video. Ito ginawa ko, no, last March 18. Kung nakikinig kayo maigi, wala akong binago diyan. I already informed you na industries to avoid oil, no. Tapos meron pa akong follow up, no, medyo inayos ko lang na sabi ko spillover oil, tapos nagdagdag ako electricity. Main industries, ito pa rin, still avoid, no. Kung gusto mong i-trade, dapat kaya mong i-manage yung risk mo. So if you will try to ask me, did I surprise, no? Nagulat ba ako? Am I shocked? Yes, of course, na-shock ako kasi never in the entire history pa nag-trade ang oil below zero, no? Pero hindi ako na-shock na babagsak siya because of course the demand is very low or limited. Kasi hindi lang Pilipinas yung lockdown, at even in the other countries they are also exercising lockdown or quarantine, no. So yung demand talaga ng oil, it is very limited. Then the supply, no, is massive, no. So ano yung mga implications nun sa business? So the producer of oil since wala na silang storage facility, they are no willing to pay, no, yung mga traders or the counterpart or the buyer, no, they are willing to pay like $40, no, just to take those oil or excessive amount of oil, kasi napakarami na nilang na-produce, and nagbabayad din sila, no, and nagbabayad din yung mga oil producers ng mga demurrage. Ano ba yung mga demurrage? Pwedeng mga barko, no, yung mga storage facility, yung mga businesses naman na yun, yung mga storage facility, month by month they collect money, no, dun sa mga oil company. Yung mga oil company walang demand, di sila makaka-produce ng pera, di parang nagpapalugi lang sila. They spend money on those storage facility, tapos they do not make money. Kaya nga maraming US major oil companies na naghihingi ng tulong because they are in the midst of bankruptcy, no, malapit na sila ma-bankruptcy because of that, no. They are paying demurrage, no, for the storage facility of their product or their oil, no, sa mga supply, tapos walang demand, no, and they are still willing to pay, no, the consumer or the persons on behalf or the trader just to take those oil away from them, kasi nga mas malaki pa yung nalulugi nila doon sa binabayarang storage facility, no. That's how the impact, no. Now if you will think of the short term, napakalaki yung impact, no, and if you will think about a longer term, no, konti, kapag ka na okay na yung mga COVID-19 na yan, yung mga production facility dapat mas makakamura tayo, no? Mga goods and services dapat makamura tayo. Bakit? Yung mga gumagamit ng oil, mga delivery truck or kung ano-ano man, transportation, dapat makamura tayo, no, from the previous. Kaya nga it is hard for us to go back into the normal, no. So pag-uusapan din natin ano yung futures, no, kasi hindi to like in the stock market na pag sinabi mong it will go to the zero lang talaga, no. So on layman's term, ito search tayo. So ayan, what is future contract? A future contract is a legal agreement to buy or sell a particular commodity, asset, or security at the predetermined price at a specific time in the future. Futures contract are standardized for quality and quantity to facilitate trading on the futures exchange, no. The buyer of the future contract is taking on the obligation to buy and receive the underlying asset when the future contract expires. The seller of the future contract is taking on the obligation to provide and deliver the underlying asset at the expiration date. So, ano ba yung future contract, no? Kasi a lot of you are asking me din, no, about the future. Yes, we are aware of options, of forex, of futures, of cryptocurrency, and even derivatives. Pero just to give you some sort of background lang, no, I do not recommend you na to explore this na or dito kayo kumita ng money, no, if hindi nyo pa na ma-master yung stock market. Kung sa stock market you cannot make money, no, year in year out, mas mahirap pagdating ng futures, mas mahirap pagdating ng option, mas mahirap pagka nag-forex kayo, no. So masterin nyo muna yung stock market, no, kaysa yung papatalon-talon kayo, no. So basically ano ba yung future contract? On layman's term, tatagalugin ko. Halimbawa ako airline company ako, and by the near future like 2025, no, kunwari ngayon year 2020 ang per barrel ng ang oil is like $20, no, and alam ko naman na on my company I need oil kasi nga airline company ako, no. So pagdating ng 2025, I can contract, no, I can go to the oil producing company, no, na magda-draft kami ng contract. Sabi ko, Mr. Oil Producing Company, no, by 2025 I'm planning to buy X number of barrels, no, at like $30, no, instead of 20 naging 30, no. So since sabi nga dito, ayan, obligation on the buy to receive the underlying asset when the future contracts expires. So pagdating ng 2025, i-deliver mo sa akin yung oil barrel kung ilan yung gusto ko at predetermined price. Ayan, predetermined price at a specific time in the future. So dumating yung 2025, pinag-usapan natin $30 per barrel. Ngayon, yung market price ng per barrel, kunwari, instead of 30, naging 50. So, lugi yung oil company kung nakasave ako ng money. No? Kasi kailangan ko naman, kaya okay lang mag-undergo ako sa future contract. No? So, nakasave ako. Papaano, kunwari, on the near future, no? Sabi ko $30 per barrel, pero pagdating ng near future, instead na nag-30, naging 10 palalo, o kaya naging 20, edi instead na makatipid ako, napamahal pa ako. That's the risk, no, on the future contract. Kaya dapat, if you're a trader, no, kaya yung mga traders minsan ginagamit nila to speculate the market, no. That's why it is very hard to speculate on the market kasi you do not know what's going on the next thing, no, or the next time that will happen, no, on the future, no. Para kang nanghuhula diyan. Kaya nga sabi ko, if you want to try to master futures or master option trading, I just suggest, no, on your totality of your portfolio, no. Kunwari equity portfolio ka, no, do not trade more than like 10 to 15% for this kind of situation or market kasi hindi mo to expertise. They are players dyan na mas magagaling pa sa akin, mas magagaling pa sa inyo, na hindi mo alam yung kalakaran dyan, bakit mo papasukin. And if you want to try, no, pwede naman, pero wag yung as in all in or bigay todo ka, no. I am warning you na high volatile ang options, high volatility ang forex, high volatility ang mga crypto or futures or mga any kind of derivatives, no. But just to simplify of what is what I have read or we have read here, na yung soon to expire May contract, ibig sabihin since mababa nga yung demand, no, yung mga contract walang demand, so bumagsak din yung mga contract, ibig sabihin walang may gusto, kaya nag-trade below zero. Kaya nga ayan, no, the owners of the oil, no, are implying that investors will need to pay buyers to take delivery of the crude oil, no. Kaya nga nagkaroon tayo ng negative territory, no. On the stock market naman, wala kang yung pinaka bottom line or baseline is zero. So wala kang makikita ng negative 1, negative 2, no. So kung nakabili ka sa around 10 pesos per share, naging zero yan, nag-loss ka ng negative 100%, no. So walang negative 1, walang negative 100%, walang ganon, no. So negative 100% lang yung pinaka ma-ilo-loss mo dyan, no, if you are trading with the stock market, no. So ayan, napag-usapan na natin. Comment down below kung ano yung mga hindi pa malinaw sa inyo. Napag-usapan natin yung advanced topic regarding future trading, no. Pag-usapan natin kung bakit bumagsak yung oil, no. Very basic lang yan, kaya nga na sulat natin dito, industries to avoid, of course, oil, no. On the short term effect, maaring magkaroon ng reduce sa mga goods and services kasi nga mura ang oil, mura ang production, so of course baka mag-trim down ng price, no, kasi nga yung mga delivery ng mga gulay kunwari, no, so since nagmura yung oil, may effect yan, no, sa mga businesses na naggumagamit ng oil. But if you will try to expect na from zero, no, mag-rebound, katulad nito nag-rebound, no, from zero nag-rebound like nasa $15 per barrel, medyo hindi pa quite stable, no. So observe ka lang, pero kung nakasalo ka somewhere here, napakalaki na yung gain mo niyan, no. Pero sino bang makakasalo ng ganyan kung there are fear and panics na talagang umaali-aligid dyan, no. So next thing we will talk about index, no, our index. As you can see, as our index already hit the 6,000 level, no, almost, no, malapit nang ma-hit yung 6,000 level. And lagi kong sinasabi, it might trade the range of 6,000 to 5,500 points, no. So watch out mo lang kung itong 5,500 will holds. Pag ito hindi nag-holds, warning signal na yan, no, as it retrace up until 5,000 points, no. So watch out mo lang kung hindi ito nag-hold, it might retrace ito muna, MA20, then 5,000 points, no. But this 5,500 points should ultimately hold. Kung magkakaroon man ng konting shakeout, okay lang yun up until 5,300, pero dapat mag-close up above 5,500, no, para makakakita tayo ng legit na bullish reversal, no. Kasi we already declared a bullish reversal sa ganitong scenario, no? Pero of course, exercise extreme caution, and of course, lagi nyong bantayan yung yung market, no? Kasi wag kayong magpapadala sa opinion nyo or emotion nyo. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo, yun. So again, pagka nag-breakdown yan sa 5,500, it might retrace up until MA20, no? O kaya 5,300, but at the end of the day, it should close above 5,500 para hindi busted yung trade at hindi busted yung setup natin na reversal na or bullish reversal na tayo, no? So for those stocks katulad nitong ni dito, no? Ayan. Katulad ni dito, dapat nagtitrim ka na ng portfolio mo. Siguro nagsasell ka na paunti-unti, dapat hindi ka na naka-hold nito, and more likely with this ending candle, no, malapit sa resistance at 2.4 pesos per share, more likely baka mag-slide down yan, mag-correct, no? Pwedeng mag-slide down until like 2.1 pesos per share, no, dito. No, makikita nyo may resistance dito, di ba? Or kung hindi pa mag-hold yung 2.1, it might retest the MA9, no? Pero masyado nang malayo. But of course, observe ka lang for tomorrow, no? Tingnan mo rin yung global market, tingnan mo rin yung index natin kung anong performance, kung yung index natin is magba-bounce back na ba from 5,500, ayan, no? Medyo malapit na, or sasagarin niya hanggang 5,500 o kaya itong MA20, no? So observe mo lang, kasi yung structure ng neto ni dito, yung candlestick na to medyo pangit kasi nag-end siya at around resistance, no, malapit sa 2.4 na Kumo flats. So yun lang. And PXP, no, PXP, PCOR, pag-usapan natin, no. So PXP expected na yan, no. So kung dito hindi ka nakabenta, which is luckily nakabenta tayo, no, kasi the market always welcomes naman the people who wants to to re-enter, no. So sa mga gusto magbalik loob, wina-welcome ka naman ni market, no. So buti na benta ko dito kasi ang marami din tayong nakikitang sell signal yan if you will try to look on the intraday, no, dito. No, merong bearish divergence, no, somewhere here, ito plus ito, no. So ito meron, ayan, no. Teka, naglo-load, ayan. So may makikita ang bearish divergence dito, no. So yan yung mga warning signal ko, kaya bakit nabenta ko ng 466, 'di ba, as I discussed yesterday. Tapos another bearish divergence dito, no. Ayan, no. Malinaw na yan, kaya dapat mapapabenta ka diyan, no. Ayan, somewhere here nung bumagsak siya pa ganito, no. Ayan. So bearish divergence, kaya bumagsak na ng todo, no. So kung gusto mong i-extend, pwede din, hindi naman na-violate yung rule. So pabagsak pa rin, no. Either way, pag ganun o kaya from here pabagsak pa rin, kaya nag-decide na tayo to sell, no. So ewan ko, baka nagkataon lang din or natsambahan ko na ma-sell yun, kasi nga may nakikita ako, kasi I'm just following what I see, no. I do not follow my emotions or may kahit tinuro ko pa to sa inyo, 'di ba? Kaya nga lagi yung sinasabi sa inyo, yung discussion natin, even if you join our group chat, yung discussion na yung ganun is lang yun, guide lang yun, no. Ang huling hatol or huling decision is in you pa rin, no. So ginagamit nyo lang siguro yung expertise ko, yung experience ko on terms of the market, no, para at least meron kang idea or reliable source of information. Pero yung huling decision making is nasa sa inyo pa rin. Yung principle, tinuturo ko yun sa mentorship program, okay? So as you can see, sabi ko nga, di ba naalala nyo, bumili tayo at around 4.2 pesos per share, no, dito at the breakout dito sa upper resistive box. Kaya sobrang exact or precise yung tinuturo ko sa inyo dito, no, na technical analysis, no. Although this hindi na to live market, pero you can take away those learnings, no. So ayan, no, nakikita nyo talagang dito nag-open, no, dito din siya nag-gap down, no, tapos nag-open, nag-close at 481, nag-open ng gap down, tapos nag-close at around like 450, no. Resistance to, ayan, no, lower resistive box yan dito, ayan, no. Kaya you can see the market reacts, no, parang magic siya, no. Kung titignan mo, talagang saktong-sakto, bakit dito pa, bakit doon pa, no. So if you are able to play the market, no, kanina, no, pero although this is very risky, kaya nga dapat yung allocation mo sobrang liit lang, no? Kung dito nag-trade tayo like around 5,000 shares yata or something, no? Kunwari, dito dapat mas maliit, like kunwari 3,000 lang, 2,000 shares lang, mga ganon, no? So, ayun na nga, kung nakapasok ka dito, dapat mabenta mo siya around somewhere here, no? Sa 550 or 545, okay lang yan, no? So, PCOR naman, actually, hindi ko to gusto kasi ito yung medyo pag bumagsak, sagad-sagad din, no? So, ayan, no? Kung makikita mo, hindi man ng walang signs of recoverability, no? So, avoid pa rin yan, no? So, dito, alam nyo na, so, yung index natin, as long as yung 5,500 will hold, okay tayo dyan. And next thing, we'll talk about the Dow Jones, no? DJI, no? So, let's see, no? So, Dow Jones, medyo nagkaroon ng retracement, no? Nagtatry to closing the gap, no? Up until here. Let's see na lang, no? After the market close, no? For tomorrow, no? Kung ano yung magiging performance, no? Ni Dow Jones or this will hold yung 23,000, no? Tingnan natin kung mag-hold to, no? So, if maganda naman ang naging performance nito, expectation natin for tomorrow is magiging maganda din yung index natin, no? So, that's it for now. I hope you learned something in our video. Kung nalilito kayo about sa futures, you can comment down below or you can watch this video again, no? So, I know and I understand na nakakalito talaga yung futures na yun. And especially kapag English pa yung binabasa mo. Kaya nga, that's why I use purely Tagalog dun sa future trading para at least in layman's term, you can understand kung paano ba nangyayari, ano yung nangyayari when you trade future of the market, no? So, God bless us all and I hope you make money within this week or the next week kung maganda ang market, no? So, bye-bye.